my channel, and in today's video we're doing a smoky eye look. So I prepped my skin, and the look I have posted on Instagram few days ago, and that won by 69% of votes, which is a great majority. Thanks for the support. So the first thing we're using on eyes is a primer plus base from Maybelline, a few drops, and dab it with your fingers. You can use it under eye also, but if you skip that it's okay, because we're going to be done a makeup on only eyelids. So yeah, now coming to the Wet n Wild color corrector, I'll using a bright shade to just brighten my eyelids. It cancel out all the darkness, that's why we are using color corrector. I will also tell you why we use color corrector, because when we apply the foundation it looks gray. The outcome of the makeup is like it's showing your skin in a blackish or a grayish way. So that's why we use the corrector for neutralizing and brighten up your dark parts of your skin. So we have used a Fit Me concealer, and then I'm using a Glam On face powder from Faces of Canada, and I'm just dabbing it with a powder brush, and my eyelid is ready for the makeup. So this is a Sugar Cosmetics kajal pencil, and I'm applying a kajal on my eyelid. No need to be precise, just draw a line because we're going to smudge it anyways. This is a close-up look, and I am doing it in a great way. Just to make your work easier, just take a cello tape and apply it like as directed in a video, and retouch up, and take a smudge brush and just smudge whole eyelid like this. Just do the way that I'm doing. Now I'm taking a L'Oreal palette and taking a ash black color to diffusing the edges, which looks sharp, and it will create a gradient look. Now taking another color, light brown color, to just transition, and taking a blending brush to mixing all the colors together so that it look appealing. Now taking a Color Sensational Satin from Maybelline, it's a small eyeshadow travel kind of a kit, and I'm taking the darkest brown kind of a ash color, and I'm applying all over my eyelid. It's not capturing by the camera, sorry for that, but it look very nice when you see a person in real. Just blend it well, and you get a succeeding look. Now coming to the eyelash curler, just curl your lash, and after that I'm applying a Hyper Curl liquid liner from Maybelline. You can make any kind of a look from the liner, the cat eye or the bold eyes, whatever you want you can do. Now coming to the Swiss Beauty Midnight Sparkle kit. It's a palette which has all the sparkles, and I'm taking the light golden and applying on my lid evenly. Choice is yours, how intense you want to do it, you can do it. And please be careful with the sparkles, because it very quickly come off and it messed up your makeup. whereas we didn't do any foundation or anything on face, so we are on a safe zone. Now coming back to the mascara. This is a mascara by Colossal Maybelline, and it is a very well-known product from Maybelline. Everyone using it. This is a waterproof, by the way, and I am applying it like evenly, covering all my lashes. And now taking a highlighter for my brow bone to just shine a little bit. And now the favorite part is the falsies. Now this is the eye look we are achieving in this video, and yeah, I'm revealing the look. This is the look. How's the makeup looking? Please tell me in the comment section. I will always waiting for your comments. And thanks for watching this video again, and also go and watch the full glam look series part 2 of this video. Till then, take care. I will see you in my next. Bye bye.